welcome back to my channel. So I finally decided to come on YouTube once again to show you guys how to do this look. Go ahead and watch the video, see how you can go ahead and recreate this look, and let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you. I already moisturized my face with JOUS beauty moisturizer. This is amazing. This is good stuff. A few little hyperpigmentations that I haven't really been able to get rid of. So I am going to go ahead and cover that up. These two they just came out of nowhere, honey. Blend these things and then I'll go ahead and add my primer. So I use the Fenty Beauty primer. I've been using it for a while now. Surprisingly, the mini one. I actually got the mini one and I'm like, let me try it, let me see how it works. And it lasts me a pretty good long time. A pretty long time. A long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my primer. I'm gonna just my little T-zone area. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and hunty, it looks like I ran out, y'all. Let's hope not. Let's hope. No. Y'all, I ran out of foundation. Okay, guys, I ran out of foundation. So, and it's the last one. I got two different concealers that I've been meaning to try for a while now. I think I tried the Juvia's Place concealer already, and I don't know how to feel about it yet. I really don't. And then I really wanted to try the ColourPop. Let's do ColourPop. Every time I put on concealer, I'm like, I'm not gonna put a lot. All I need is a little bit. And I get finger happy and I get started. So I kind of wanted to do the Juvia's contour concealer. So I'm just gonna use theirs to contour. My sponge with NYX matte finish. Y'all see this concealer, y'all? Is it there? Is it on my face? Okay. So for me to do my nose, I always use those little beauty sponge, because I think it's just so much better for me. I think I'm tripping. I don't know if I have anything on my face. Like, okay, ColourPop, it's not popping. It's not. Going crazy with this coronavirus, and today though I sneezed about 4 times already. I'm like, hold up. Fenty Beauty in Cashew. So for the eyebrows, I use the Benefit Brown Pencil. After you shape it, even if you don't shape it like the way exactly how you want to shape it, you have concealer. Concealer is your best friend. Fix that boy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in with my Dip Brow pomade from Anastasia. With my eyebrows, these how some people get very messy with their eyebrows, put a lot of concealer. I just feel like all you need is a little bit, you know. They look like paternal twins, but they are twins. That's all that matters. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of concealer on my eyes. Start with my Stardust, this Girls Night, just for my transition color. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and go in Watch Me Blush. This is by Crayon Case. I'm gonna use their Hot Cocoa color. lashes be the hardest thing for me. It's so hard to put on. Let's see this way. Different steps to my face, so today this is what just happened to be, so we're just gonna roll with it. Sometimes you just gotta roll with it. All the products that I use today is literally my everyday products that I use. I just started using them, the Juvia blush palette. I like it, so you'll be seeing me using it more often. So Gold Deposit highlighter from MAC, and we almost done here, ladies and gents. We're almost done. Ooh, baby, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Lipstick from MAC. My nude honeymoon from NYX. I use this for like everything, every single thing. This is like an everyday thing, okay? So I just like the colors it gives me when I mix it with my lipstick. So I am done for today. I hope you guys like my brown smoky eye look, which I'm still, golly, my eyes are still watering. Y'all, let me know by leaving a comment below, subscribe, like this video, share this video, and just let me know what you think, because I'm cute. I really think so.